CatSynth TV.
Hey everybody, CatSynth TV! And we are looking at the new features in the version 3 update of Arturia's MicroFreak, including the new oscillator types from Noise Engineering and Unison Mode. The new V3 firmware can be downloaded from Arturia's website. To install it, start the MIDI Control Center, select your MicroFreak, and click the Firmware Revision button to start the upload process. The update adds 3 new oscillator types designed by Noise Engineering, who are best known for their Eurorack modules. The first of these oscillators is the bass. It contains sine and modulated cosine oscillators. The first parameter saturates the cosine. The second provides wave folding. The third sets the amount of noise used to phase modulate both waveforms. We can of course modulate these parameters. Let's go to the modulation matrix and assign LFO to the wave folding. The next is the SawX, which is a modulated sawtooth wave. The first parameter sets the gain of the modulus stage. The second sets the level of a built-in chorus effect. And the third once again sets the amount of noise used to phase modulate the sawtooth. Let's turn on the arpeggiator. And have some fun with the modulation. First, let's use the cycling envelope to modulate the gain stage. And the LFO on the chorus. The final oscillator is the harm, which adds harmonics to the fundamental frequency of the sound. The first parameter is the spread of the harmonics. At 0, 1/2, and 1, it sounds more like a pure tone, but in between it has an inharmonic or FM-like quality. The rectification parameter adds some folding to the partials, a bit like the wave folding in the bass. And the final parameter, once again, adds phase-modulated noise. Let's have the LFO modulate the harmonic spread. The other new feature in this release is Unison Mode, which stacks all the oscillators on a single note with detuning spread. Let's bring back the SawX oscillator. Pressing Shift and Paraphonic sets Unison Mode. Holding these buttons down and tuning the parameter knob changes the detune amount. Let's start the arpeggiator again. Unison Mode works with all the oscillator types, so let's bring up the wavetable oscillator. We can modulate the unison detune. Select Assign To from the modulation matrix, and then press Shift and Paraphonic to assign the unison detune to this destination. Let's assign the cycling envelope in one-shot mode to control the detune. This adds an interesting attack character to the sound. We hope you've enjoyed this look at the new features in the version 3 firmware of the MicroFreak. To find out more, please visit Arturia.com and check out the description below this video. Thanks for watching. Check out more at www.catsynth.com, and please subscribe to CatSynth TV.